Polly Glotty is about to go on an adventure. But first, she needs to pack her suitcase.
I can't wait for my trip, but how do I pack everything? I need my bathing suit, shoes, dress, hat, and toys. Oh, these take up so much space.
The toys began to help Polly organize her suitcase.
Let's pack together.
Polly's teddy bear showed her how to roll up her dress to save space.
Great idea.
Her toy robot helped arrange her shoes.
You're a packing pro.
Polly and her toys turned packing into a fun game.
I think I've got it. Everything fits perfectly. Packing can be fun when you do it right.